Morning, this is Mr. Ku, Advanced Automotive Mechanic here in Nigeria. This car was brought to our garage because the AC system is not cooling. Alongside, we've seen some of the places where the previous technician got some power from to get into the compressor directly. And we're trying to restore it back, but things are getting a little bit tricky. This car looked extremely clean with 40,000 kilometers on it. Just mileage on it, has not even run anything yet. You can see everything looks so clean and perfect. Now on our diagnostics, we discovered that this fan is not running, which we later find out the sensors that are missing in place, and we got it into place yesterday. And this is one of the thermostats which the previous tech introduced into the system to cut off the power when the evap cools so much, so you can be able to create some sort of short cycle into the system. Now on this bad boy, we are close to getting our final result and getting it working. Okay, we tricked the system to feel like as if there is a pressure inside the system yesterday and get a fan running up to it 360 duty cycle. Now back to my gauge, you can see that there is no refrigerant inside the system. Yes, that is why we have this here to get it filled up and get it started running. Okay, with the remote right here, the key fob right here, we have to power this bad guy up and start working so we can get it finished up and get it to the owner. Okay, now guys, a lot of people who bring cars to me down here in Nigeria is when other mechanic fails and couldn't be able to get it working. And on this Mercedes, the fan is not running, the AC is not cooling, it's missing hot air, but we've got it working yesterday, so we're just trying to get the piece back in order so we can get it working as we have advertised. Okay, here you go, and that's it. So this is Mr. Cool. Like you said, we are here to provide solution. We're not here to follow the queue on people who have tried and failed before. So pretty much we're replacing this cover back, which is somewhere down here, and see how we can be able to manage this as secretary pending when we're gonna be able to get the sensor, the ambient temperature sensor that's missing right underneath the bumper. So then aside this car is gonna be leaving my garage today to the owner's side, where he's gonna continue his business, so sell it to a potential customer. So mine is to restore it working perfectly, which I'm going to give you the details. It's pretty much hitting out here, so, and I know a lot of you know me with gloves in order to stop stain from all this nice and clean interior fabrics, not fabrics but leather. Feel comfy. Damn. Okay guys, so one of those things that give me some sort of joy when I'm working on the car is how clean it is. The cleanliness gives me some sort of assurance and hope, even when I'm giving the customer warranty. Maybe if it has been experiencing some leak, maybe like 3 weeks before, I give like 6 months or so or thereabout, you know. So, but if the system is pretty much messed up, I know my warranty is gonna fall into a dead trap, which is gonna bounce back on me. So guys, this is how it's gonna be going. This is your W204 C300. If you have AC issues and you're within Nigeria, you can reach me in Abuja. Just drop me a message on the link below this description, and I'm gonna get back to you on whichever car make and model or computer or sensor related issues or electrical issues. Okay guys, this is your Mr. Cool. When you have AC problem or computer related, computer related, sensor related problem, I got your back. So guys, get this job started and see how far we can be able to go with it today. There's a heavy sunshine right here. I think it should be around 42 degrees outside, 42 degrees Celsius. Okay guy, bye for now. See you some other time. Bye. Thank you.